Standard 10, Subject Science 2. Lesson number 2, Life Processes in Living Organisms, Part 2. Students, in this lesson we learn how do we get energy from different food components and how do we get energy. First of all, from the different type of food, we get different type of nutrients. So which are that nutrients? That nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, minerals, vitamins. So, in this nutrients, some nutrients are macronutrients and some are micronutrients. So, which are the macronutrients? Macronutrients means which nutrients we need in large amount. That means carbohydrate, protein, fat, we need more amount, and vitamins and minerals need in very small quantity. Okay, today we are going to discuss about vitamins. In previous classes we already learned what are the vitamins. See, many times you cannot eat hot food due to inflammation or ulceration in mouth. What is the reason behind the ulceration in mouth? Ulceration or inflammation inside our mouth will be because of deficiency of some vitamins, particularly vitamin B complex. Deficiency of vitamin B complex. It is said to be responsible for such ulceration. Some persons experience difficulty in night vision since their childhood or adolescence. That means night blindness. Night blindness causes due to deficiency of vitamin A. That means we not eat the food which contains vitamin A, then such problems may arise. Vitamins are a group of heterogeneous compounds of which is essential for proper operation of various processes in the body. Students, we know vitamins are required for proper functioning and maintenance of the body. They are heterogeneous compound. Heterogeneous means different type of compound. Hetero means different type of compounds. Okay. There are main 6 types of vitamins. Example A, B, C, D, E and K. Out of these, A, D, E and K are fat soluble, whereas B and C are water soluble. Okay. We have seen that FADH2 and NADH2 are produced in the process like glycolysis and Krebs cycle. That means this FADH2 and NADH2, they are enzymes and they are produced. When they are produced the time of oxidation of glucose, that glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Okay. Vitamins like riboflavin, that is vitamin B2, and nicotinamide vitamin B5 respectively are necessary for their production. That means for production of these essential enzymes, vitamin B2 and vitamin B5 is necessary. Use your brain power. Many times we experience dryness in mouth. What is the reason behind it? If we not drink water long time, we know we need water in proper amount, and if we not drink or not able to drink water, inavailability of water, then the dryness is a natural feeling which creates urge in us to drink water. Second question, oral rehydration solution. Oral rehydration solution. Water, sugar, water. Salt, sugar, water is a frequently given to person experiencing loose motions. Loose motions cause lot of loss of water from the body. And to bring back the normal proportion of the water, an electrolyte oral rehydration solution or ORS is given to the patient who suffers from loose motion. Okay. Third question. We sweat during summer and heavy exercise. Whenever the temperature, environmental temperature is increased, also body temperature increase. But by sweating, body regulates the temperature of maintain balance with the surrounding or in environmental temperature. Okay. See, there is about 65 to 70% water in our body. Each cell contains 70% water weight by body weight. Blood plasma also contains 90% of water. So what is meaning of plasma? Blood plasma we learned in previous classes. The liquid part in our blood is called as plasma. Functioning of cells and thereby whole body disturbs even if there is a little loss of water from the body. Hence water is essential nutrient. Water is also essential nutrient. Along with all above mentioned nutrients, fibers are also essential nutrient. In fact, we cannot digest the fibers. However, they help in the digestion of other substance and digestion of undigested substance. We obtain the fibers from leafy vegetable, fruits, cereals, etc. Internet is my friend. Collect information. Students, I already given you these questions to solve. We will again repeat these questions today and you write these questions. Okay.